Okay, so I just squashed 2 bars together. And this is all dependent on what size you want your rabbit. You can do them smaller, bigger, whatever.
I notice you're using your surface a lot.
Yes.
To help.
Yes.
So you shove it into the surface.
Shove it into the surface.
Gently shoving it into the surface.
And I want his head to have a little bit more narrow base.
Okay.
Still rounded, but a little bit of a flatness for the face because I'm going to put on the big cheeks and the nose and all that. Okay.
Are these Rice Krispie Treat logs, the ones you're using, would they be considered expensive or pretty inexpensive?
I got mine at the Business Center Costco, which is the Costco that's for food service and business. You don't have to have a special membership to go. I think this big, there was a big box of these. I think it was $9.
Excellent. Okay, so
Yeah.
if that's, because
For sure.
that's a lot for $9.
Oh yeah.
So would you recommend, for the folks that haven't done that much work with Rice Krispie Treats, go get some and practice?
Oh, for
Go
sure.
play it. Make a ball,
Yeah,
make
yeah.
a carrot, make a
Yep.
bolt, make a whatever. Just play with it because it's so versatile
Yep.
and tasty, once again.
Yeah, kids love this stuff.
Yes, they do.
They just love this stuff.
Plain or covered with chocolate.
Right. Now, if you can tell, it is solid. I mean,
Yeah.
it's
Was that 2 of them together?
3.
3 of them
I
together?
did 3 for the body, 2 for the head.
Okay.
Okay? Now,
What kind of chopsticks are you using now?
these are cookie sticks.
Cookie sticks.
I want his body a
Is that what they're called when you go get them in a
chunkier.
package?
Yes,
They're actually called cookie sticks.
they are called cookie sticks.
Excellent.
Okay, there we go.
He was too tall there for a minute?
He was a little too
Yeah.
tall, not quite fat and chunky enough. Okay, so, because I want one ear flopped and one ear up, but I need something also to put these guys together.
Yeah.
So I'm going to do his ears like so.
So on a wee angle,
Yes.
each one.
And this guy is not going to go down. He's not going to go in as far. See that?
Yep.
I'm doing him opposite, but that's okay.
It's okay.
All right, so let's get out our super awesome white fondant by Filklin.
Felkin. Okay, I don't think I've ever had the
This
Felkin.
is Swiss. Swiss? Yeah, Swiss. I'll let you taste this stuff.
Yeah, Felkin
It
white
is
chocolate.
expensive, but with as thin as I roll it, it's not that big a deal. It's okay. This tastes like the inside of an Oreo cookie.
Where do we get this? On the lines?
Chef Rubber.
Oh my.
ChefRubber.com.
Man, she was good stuff.
Isn't that yummy?
Yep.
See, I have to keep this under lock and key when my kids come to the studio.
I would think so.
Yeah, because they'll get a whole bucket and eat it.
Yep.
They're crazy. Crazy kids.
Yeah. They're not going to sell this at a craft store.
No.
But you can get
Chef
this
Rubber.
directly from Chef Rubber.
Directly from Chef Rubber.
Okay.
Yep. This stuff will dry, but it does give you a longer working time than most regular fondants I've used, which I like. And if you really need something to dry quicker, you can mix together fondant and gum paste, and then it'll dry faster. Or some people need like CMC or Tylose into fondant. I don't really like doing that because then I'm trying to mix a dry thing into a wet thing, and that can sometimes not come out so great. So I prefer to meld similar mediums together, if that makes sense. Now I'm going to, because it's Rice Krispie Treats and he's a little bumpy, I'm gonna maybe go a little thicker. Not too much though. Because see, the carrot is bumpy. We want that bumpy. So that was kind of working to our advantage.
Right.
But for a rabbit, we don't want him bumpy. Okay. What do I do here? That. Right.
Aha.
We just put a little dress on it.
Yeah. Same way to make a snowman, I bet.
Yep.
Pretty cool. Or an alien snowman with,
What's that
antenna.
song? Do you want to build a snowman?
Yeah.
Oh, it's that's kind of bumpy. I don't like that.
Kind of bumpy?
It's kind of bumpy. I don't like it. So, we're going again.
Cool.